Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Rogue headlight bulb. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is off and cool. Gather your new headlight bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and some gloves. Disconnecting the negative battery terminal is a crucial safety step to prevent any electrical shorts during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement. Now, let's gain access to the bulb. Pop open your hood and find the rear of the headlight assembly. For the driver's side, you might need to remove a plastic air duct, usually held by a few clips, to create enough space. Once you have clear access, carefully unclip the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. This frees the bulb for removal. With the connector detached, it's time to remove the old bulb. Twist its base counterclockwise approximately 1/4 turn, then carefully pull it straight out. Now, take your new bulb. Remember, do not touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Align the tabs, insert it into the housing, and twist clockwise to firmly secure it in place. You're almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Now, reattach any plastic air ducts or covers you removed, securing them with their clips or fasteners. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal and tighten its nut. Turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb illuminates correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.